to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If not, welcome back. All right, today I'm talking about the Mickey Ear Factory that we're launching on AuntieTay.com, which is my website. Now, there are two different ways that you can tap into the Mickey Ear Factory. One is to just buy the SVG that you want so that you can make your own Mickey ears, or two, you can become a member of my crafting community, and not only will you get that SVG that you're interested in, but you'll also get every Mickey Ear Factory SVG, as well as thousands of other SVGs, as well as 20% off my shopping stuff, craft supplies, so many things. And if you're interested in knowing what else you get, I have lots of videos that explain what you get in my membership. However, today I'm going to be featuring the new page, which is the Mickey Ear Factory. I'm so excited for this. We're going to be coming out with a new seasonal launch every single season of Mickey Ear SVGs, which work perfect for different characters and lots of fun things. So right now I am wearing the classic Mickey and Minnie, and we will have lots of other ones like rainbows, and I'll be showing you guys how to layer the rainbow. We have bows, so this bow is actually made with an SVG and a bunch of different colors. We have donuts. We have lots of really cool tutorials coming to show you how to use each individual one, so you'll get to see how to use them and lots of really cool stuff. And then I also designed lots of really cool things like polka dots so that you can change different bow colors. So this is using the same SVG for the bow, but this one has white and this one has purple. That's all that's different, and you can change out your character. These are also using their interchangeable bows, so there's a tutorial on how to do the interchangeable bow and the perfect bow. So if you want to know how to do the perfect bow, I also have a video on that. So this whole summer, we are releasing Pixar SVGs, but we are also debuting how to use the new Mickey Ear Factory in all of the videos. So you're gonna see tons of Mickey ear tutorials, really cool ones, and I tried to blow you guys away, and I'm already in the works for the fall line that is gonna be coming out for Halloween and the holidays. Oh, I'm so excited. It's gonna be amazing. Okay, so we have so many, so enjoy this sneak peek to the summer launch in the Mickey Ear Factory. So let's go.